we'll guide you through how to adjust Claude settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol, usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on it to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll find various options to customize your Claude experience. You might see tabs or sections like General, Notifications, Privacy, and Display. Start by exploring the General tab if you want to adjust basic settings like language or theme. For more specific settings, such as notification preferences, click on the Notifications tab. Here you can enable or disable email alerts, push notifications, and other alert types to suit your preferences. If privacy is a concern, head over to the Privacy section. Here you can manage what information you share and adjust settings related to data collection and sharing. Finally, if you want to tweak how things look, the Display section will let you change themes, font sizes, and other visual elements. Be sure to save any changes you make by clicking the Save button at the bottom of each section, as this ensures your adjustments are applied. Take your time exploring these settings to fully personalize your Claude experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.